This is a tutorial on how to play Ultimate Frisbee. Ultimate Frisbee combines aspects of soccer, basketball, and football. Ultimate Frisbee is played on a 70 by 40 yard field with 25-yard deep end zones. It's played with 14 players on the field, 7 versus 7. The game starts off with a pull. This is similar to a kickoff in soccer. The 7 players from each team stand on the front of their end zone, and one team throws a disc to the other to start play. The goal is to move down the field by catching and throwing the disc until either you or a teammate catches it in the end zone for a score. If the disc is blocked or intercepted by the other team, it's a turnover, and the other team starts going the other way, just like soccer and basketball. One of the two main throws in Ultimate Frisbee is the flick, also known as the forehand. The second throw is the backhand. Learning both of these throws is crucial in playing the sport. A few common terms used in this sport is laying out or bidding. This is when a player dives for the disc, either on offense or defense. A sky is when a player catches the disc over an opponent. This is similar to getting mossed in football. When a player throws a deep throw, it's also called a huck. Not sure exactly why it's called that, but that's what everyone calls it. USA Ultimate is the governing body of organized Ultimate Frisbee in the United States. USA Ultimate runs the College Series, in which Rutgers competes every year. The College Series usually takes place during the spring season, which runs from February to May. The College Series starts with sectionals, then regionals, then nationals. Not every team makes it to nationals. There's only one team from the region Rutgers is in that makes nationals every year. The goal of Rutgers Ultimate every season is to make nationals and compete against the best college teams in the country.